Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight. But today I'm not going to show you any recipe video. I was really getting bored with the recipe, so I just thought to make a vlog. I was just thinking, why not give it a twist. I hope you will definitely enjoy this. Keep watching my video. So this is the Al Maktoum International Airport, the DXP. So you can see flights over here. Hello. So this is Dubai. And we have arrived to our destination, to Ikea. We're heading towards it. I just fell in love with the kitchen counters. You can see different types of rugs here. You have varieties of rugs. You have leather rugs and many more designs are there. You have Persians and lots more. But I went to Ikea personally because I wanted to buy some kitchen organizers. And I just fell in love with all these lighting. This was one of my favorites. It was too late and we left Ikea and we were heading towards a restaurant as we were very hungry too. And luckily we found our hometown restaurant, so we made ourselves comfortable here. So this is Sharjah Cricket Stadium where currently IPL matches are going on. So we are heading back home. So let's do the unboxing. First thing which I bought from Ikea is the kettle. Place of shopping. I just never get bored shopping in Ikea. So this caught my eye. I just fell in love with this, so I bought this kettle. It's a very beautiful kettle. It has a whistle as well. Once the water or tea starts boiling, the whistle will blow. You can just see the teapot. So the next thing what I bought from Ikea is the drawer dividers. Basically my idea is to make this as a cutlery organizer. Personally, I just love the very era dividers, so I just thought of buying this for my kitchen drawers so I can keep different types of cutlery over here. Along with this, I bought some small dividers as well. This is for keeping small spoons, forks, and tablespoons. I'll just show you. So you can keep this like this. You can use according to your taste and preferences. You can just keep something else as well into this. These are basically used to keep them look organized and neat. You can also keep small bottles like essence bottles like vanilla essence, etc. over here. Anything, it's up to you to decide what you do. So I'll just show you the other things what I did. So this is the next thing. This is my favorite among everything. In this looks very organized and very nice. You can just you will get this only in Ikea, I guess. I never miss out to buy this. You have to just attach them. Yeah. This is. I'll show you why you use this. This looks really nice and elegant. So this is the basket. You can keep anything in this. Like you can keep, I just bought it to keep all my rolls into this. The aluminium foil, the cling film, baking paper, everything. All the rolls into this. You can also keep the sofa roll, which you put it for having dinners. It has stickers as well, which you can, you just remove the sticker and just attach it, stick it onto your cabinet doors. You can also stick this behind your kitchen doors as well. I bought another basket. This is for storing my garbage bags or any waste packets. Instead of littering here and there, you can just dump all your packets in this. And this too can be stuck onto the kitchen door. I'll just show you this. So it has some hooks over here. You need to just stick it. It's like some buttons. You just need to press them. Yeah. Here too, you have some buttons. Yeah, that's it. You can just dump your garbage bags also. See, you have this bag, you can just dump this. And it's very handy. You can just remove the garbage bag from here. You need not remove the whole roll. And you can just store it. You can dump any packets into this. So another thing what I bought, I felt this very reasonable, so I just bought this soap dispensers for my washroom. I just love shopping in Ikea. You get everything, whatever you just imagine, you just get that only in Ikea, according to me. I just love Ikea. I found this baking dish very reasonable, so I just bought this. It's microwave friendly. You can use this. And I also found this very nice. I bought this to keep all my lids, as it occupies very little space and it looks very organized as well. My son is actually helping me out. This is stretchable. You can also keep your pans in this, but I bought this to keep all my lids. You can keep all your lids, also keep your pans. I very badly wanted a mixing bowl. I just love this mixing bowl. So some knives which I bought. Love the palette knife. Because of this I bought the whole set. So let's make tea in this kettle. I'm going to add around 1 cup of water. Now I'm going to add around 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. I don't like very sweet nor too. So let's close this now. Once it starts boiling, you can just hear the whistle. I feel the whistle is not so clear. So my water for tea is ready. So I'm going to turn off the flame. And this is my thyme tea. I just enjoy drinking thyme tea. That is the zaatar tea. This is my favorite. I actually don't drink tea, but this is the only tea which I drink. And this is my favorite. It's a herbal tea. So let me serve the tea for myself. Have you ever tried a thyme tea? If you haven't, then you should give it a try. It's a especially whenever you have cold, you can just go for it. And besides that, you can also drink this. It's very nice, and it has a very subtle flavor. Enjoy the cup of tea with some delicious choco cookies. What else do you need in life? So that's my haul for today. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and do hit that notification button so you don't miss out any of the videos. I really hope you're also excited about sharing the move with others and continue to give me your support. So that's it for today. If you have really enjoyed today's vlog, do give it a thumbs up, and would love to hear your comments regarding this vlog.